This is another layout update. As you can see, we have cleaned up all the yard and everything on the top of it. There was a lot of cars or dust or just materials lying around, so I've cleaned that up. Sorry for the finger. We are having we have a backdrop building here. This is just to show a little bit about we are going to have some buildings on this side of the yard, all the way down to the door. That's where you can see the other building standing up, zooming in on their one, and all the way up to where the covered hopper is in the corner. We're going to have various buildings of photo backdrops. That's another, let's say, a project that's coming along. Right now we're focusing on the other side of the yard for the time being. And otherwise, I don't know if I can remember whether I shown it to you. We put some tracks in so that now you can actually run over the bridge and basically run the entire layout if you want to. There's power and everything connected. So yeah. Hi guys, another layout up there. You can see Andreas, he's put in a lot of the cobalt machines. If you can see it, there's a pin, and there's a pin here and a pin there, and then I have assembled mostly. That building has been fully assembled. The top floors and all the floors in this one has been painted like this. Just go out a little bit. It's basically see down here. It's basically a brown color, Russian earth brown from Model Master, which I thinned, not a lot, but some. Basically, it's, as you can also see, some mishaps happens there, but as you can see into the building, it's barely noticeable. But if you see it over here, perhaps you can't see it on the camera, but I can definitely see it with my eyes that it's white. All of a sudden, when you go up there and you have the brown, then all of a sudden it flicks the color, you know. I just need to do a little bit more up there. And down here, you have all the, sorry for the zooming, you have all the brown stuff in it. These are some of the stuff that I need to put into this building. And that's about it. And then I still need to figure out how to do this one. This is also white. I'm gonna paint that also sometime. Yeah, as you can see, all the cobalt. That's where all the switch engines are gonna be put up. Where there's none, when there's no boxes, we have put them up. This is just a partial, quick, very quick rundown of our engine, of our yard. This is this one. This one should be on the other side. What has happened over here? Yeah, we put in some engines in here and over there. Otherwise, what have happened is, I'm trying to zoom in a little bit on it. I cut the fascia over here. Not that it's a big thing. It just needs to be polished off a little bit here with some sanding paper. There's a little rough spot here. Hey, that's going to be polished off. I'm going to use this. I'll try to use some sanding paper here, and it's all nice there. All of a sudden we have a very lovely station form. That's probably how the switchboard is going to look like, just a little bit bigger. We want a little bit bigger. And then O has basically put in switch engines for all the turnouts except this one, because we're not going to use this one for quite a while on that side, and the same on the other side. This one has no engine on because of this. Sorry, this one no engine because of this one. As you probably also can see, I've painted the tracks. Over here, just to give you a little update over here, we're probably just gonna do a little thing with them so they have power. They're not gonna put up in engines now, switch engines now. We're just gonna wait with that. Down here, I haven't really decided yet what I'm gonna do with the corner. Well, basically I have. I just need. I'm just gonna do it one day. I would like to start all over on this corner and put in a proper track, so we don't have stuff like that. Stuff like this I can fix, but that's probably what's gonna go. And then I'm gonna I've decided to cut a bit of fascia, it's basically to cut into this ravine, if we can say. I don't know if I'm going to do that today. Today it's Wednesday, I'm day off, but perhaps also it's going to be on tomorrow, Thursday. Sorry, and then I'm going to cut down some. Probably only going to cut until here. Perhaps a little bit longer, but let's see. That's about it. And then yeah, let's see. One of the few things I have done. This is that one controls this long stick, which is the control of. Let me just go on again. Of this turnout and this turnout. First of all, it saves an engine, a switch engine. We can always put it back on if you think it's a little bit too weak. Later on in the process, but it also makes sense because it's either straight or diversive, these switches. So we don't have any power failures there, or not power failures, but a mishap. But yeah, let's see. I'm probably gonna give you a little bit more update later on. Bye guys.